Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you using iPhone, so this video is very important for you. Inside the iPhone, note application is available and you can protect very easily the note application, so no one are accessing your important notes data. You can make as a password. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here note application, and here several folders and several documents I have, and those one very important. In this video we will see how to set a password on the specific note. Here the bottom of the screen, demo video folder I created here, and inside the folder one notes are there. Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to set a password. You just simply press here three dot. Inside the three dots here, top of the screen, scan, ping and lock options are available. You just simply press here lock and use iPhone passcode, or you want create your new passcode. If you go with iPhone password, so it's okay. Otherwise you can create here new password also in the continue, and you just put it here the password, like suppose for example 1234. I just put it as a demo point of view, but you can put it as a some characters, some symbols and some capital letters also. And hint demo, just okay. Enable face ID, yes, okay. Notes, and then again I go back here. Look at this here in the note here, lock options are available. I just simply open here now, and now this document is locked. If you want open this one, so you can click here as a enable your face, or you can provide them as a specific document specific password. So enter password, just 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and boom, it's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.